Check out the new releases of DJ Tio on av8records.com.